build WordPress website with Google AI Studio. So this website that you are looking at, I was built with Google AI Studio and I'm hosting it for completely free using a free web hosting. Okay. And I'm going to show you everything in this video. So when you come here to Obstacles app installer, you'll see that from here, I've installed one. Okay. So let me click on the application for you to see. And as you can see, I have installed a fully that WordPress website that I just showed you from Google AI Studio. I have installed it for completely free right inside WordPress. So let me show you how you can do the exact same thing. All that you have to do is simply go to Google, from Google search, come and search for Google AI Studio just like this and then hit enter. When it's come and select the official site of Google AI Studio by clicking on it. It's going to bring you right here to the Google AI Studio platform. So from here, all that you have to do is to make sure that you are within the playground. Okay, then you click on it to select it. So from the playground over here, you have to come and then select the model. So simply come and then click on it just like this. So when it comes just like this, where it says select model, simply come here to where you have Gemini and come and click on it. When you click on it, it will show all the Gemini models right here. And all that you have to do is simply come and then select Gemini 3.1 Pro Preview. Okay, that's the best one that we are going to use. So as you can see, it has been selected. So after selecting it, all that you have to do is simply come here to the chat and then come and paste in this prompt. So the prompt, I have pinned it down in the comment down below. Okay, just look down, copy it, come and paste it right here, and then come and make these changes. The first change that you have to come and then make is over here where we have the website name. Okay, all that you have to do is simply come here to where it says enter your website name. Come and highlight the whole thing just like this, and then simply come and then enter your website name just like this. After that, where we have the website niche or the type, all that you have to do is simply come and then write the niche. Okay, let's say a traveling website or whatever, then you describe it just like this, a few description just like this. So when you are done, all that you have to do is simply come here to where you have the run and come and click on it. So when you click on it, what Gemini is going to do is that Gemini is going to give you a full prompt that you are going to use to build your website. So as you can see, this is a complete prompt that we're going to use to build our WordPress website. So it starts from here. Okay. So all that you have to do is simply come and then copy it. Okay. So when you look here, you see that we have the copy option. Come and click on it. And after clicking on the copy, it will be copied to the clipboard just like this. After that, all that you have to do is simply come here to where we have the build. Okay. And come and click on the build. So when you click on the build over here, you can come and then skip it by clicking on the skip, and it will bring you right here to where you can build your website. So to build it, it is very simple. Just have to come and then select the model. So from the settings, come and then click on the settings. And after clicking on the settings over here, you have the option to come and then choose the model. And the one that we are going to choose is Gemini 3.1 Pro. So come and click on this. Okay, so when you click on it, simply come and then select Gemini 3.1 Pro Preview. That is the best for designing websites and building websites. Okay, so after selecting it, all that you have to do is to simply come here to where we have the close and come and click on it. So after clicking on it, now you can come and then paste in your prompt. Okay, so come and paste in the prompt, the one that you copied. After pasting it right here, simply come here to where we have the build and come and click on it. And that is all the work that you are going to do. Okay, so Gemini is going to build a full complete website. So as you can see, it has successfully built the website for us, and we have the option to zoom in. Okay, so simply come and then click on full screen, and then it will show in full screen mode just like this. So as you can see, it's a full complete WordPress website, and we have successfully built it. So the next thing that you have to do is to simply convert it or to deploy it to WordPress. Okay, and I have a full step-by-step tutorial video in the video description down there. Okay, so all that you have to do is simply look at the video description. You will see a full complete video that walks you from deploying this website to WordPress using a free web hosting. Okay, so look down, click on the link, and I'll see you in that video.